Hello, my name is Alexander. I am system engineer student from United University. I am from the city of Cali, Colombia. I city no forte culture o salsa e chontaduro. When I started studying more than 5 years ago, I found it very difficult to understand coding. I have found it very difficult to understand the logic of programming. And after reading and watching videos, and I loved an effort and late niche, I began to learn and understand the coding and you began to leak. Software developed from that moment. I linking creative with pages using HTML, PHP, and CSS. After a lot of effort, and now I am sensing and it tea. To creating a web page in HTML, CSS, and PHP, code phrase when have to create a repository and GitHub to create the project. Within GitHub and give it in T number in GitHub. Within to create a repository and create its folder and in each of the code of each section that I am going to create. Each page and its of code and tail, hurry leaking by means of invocation to type some page. After creating two code and several revision and publish in within the GitHub. The GitHub platform provides me with and Fred Hobbs and Domino, so that my page can be seen from where it was. This due to the domain that GitHub provides me. At this point, my page can be visited and Seedbit IO. It takes tab, app, tip, address, or like of and seed. This has been a create, archived, and my life in discovery that every can done with a lot of effort and dedication. Thank you.